Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off your Xiaomi camera. So it's very simple. As you can see right here we can find this button, right? So when you click on it once, this
power on
indicator will flash up and it will be turned on. To power it off, just do the same, click once,
power off.
It's turned off. When you have any problem with activate this device, maybe it's time to plug the USB-C cable to charge this device. So we have to remove this silicone cover, plug the cable right here, and right now when you press the button it will be turned on.
Power on.
And that's how it looks. If you find helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.